Hello, in this video, I would like to show you how to upgrade this 12.1-inch Mitsubishi display from CCFL to our LSR series LED kits. This LSR series including LSR L-shaped LED strips, driver, and one 6-pin tail connectors. So this screen, let's take a look at the screen, and this screen is actually made by Mitsubishi. Okay, the part number is AA121SL23. So if you see some of the part numbers that ending with some numbers, that means we'll be sending those wire adapters. So if you know what your inverter's part number and you can find that upgrade kit, so you can either text us or email us your inverter part number and screen size and screen part number so I can find it to you. So let's set aside this LED kit. We want to do a comparison with the original CCFLM's needs, and then after that we're going to compare that after we upgrade to our LSR series. What's the difference? So next one we're going to hook up to CCFL and measure the needs. Okay, I hook up to my LED controllers. CCFLM. It's been warmed up about 5 to 10 minutes. I mean 7 to 10 minutes, because CCFLM it takes time for warm up. So now we can measure the voltage with the original CCFLM. .9 357.4, 366.3, Nick. That's pretty close to what the data sheet says. On next step, I'm going to show you how to upgrade this from CCFL to our LSR series LED strip, and we do the measurement again. Okay, here's our LED kits. To upgrade, it's pretty simple, and you see the plastic clip here. See this one? You push it down a little bit and grab the wire, just pull it out. See there? So you pull out this is the lamp, and then this is the LSR series. You just insert it like this. This one's pretty good. I mean, not too many space to go around, so you can just secure the wires. That should take care of the business. Okay, just secure the wires. Next step, this one actually, all the pin outs here, pin 1, pin 2, it's VIN, inverse, pin 3, pin 5 is ground, and pin 4, no, the ADJ usually no connection, but pin 6 is very important. It's called enable. You need to connect anyway between 3 to 5 volts. All this pin outs here, and so this kit comes with one 6-pin tail. Okay, we're gonna test it. I have all these wire that I pre-made for my controllers, which is works with this one, and so connected here. Okay, we're gonna test the brightness difference. So you can connect to either one connector, it's okay, and then of course you have to connect the controller board to here. Okay, turn on the color bar generator. Should be like this. Okay. Here you go. Let me see. Yep, that's the right one. Okay, so let me shut off my overhead light so we can test it. I think you should see a lot brighter. Okay, again, it's using a Minolta. Okay, LS 100 meters. Okay, so it's on. Remember, before we test about between 350 to 360 with the CCFL lamp. (1804) 1804 nits. (1793) 1792 nits. 1785, 1785 nits. So as you can see, simply just upgrade from CCFL to our LSR series, you're looking at about almost 4 to 5 times brighter with the less efforts. Just put it in, that's it. Okay, thank you for watching.